Today, the Australian Army is commencing flying operations of our AH-64E Apache Helicopter. The team here are ready to fly them. We have trained our workforce, and they've primarily come from our Armed Reconnaissance Helicopter Tiger workforce. Now, they've been training on Apaches to fly them and also to maintain and do all the ground support with them in 2 locations, and that's been in the United States and the United Kingdom. The aircraft will go through a period of our Australian pilots flying them and validating some of our procedures and flying operations. So the Apaches have been flying by day. We will transition and build on those skills that our pilots get by day, and we'll be flying by night. Next year, we'll continue training both our air crews and our ground crew here, and we'll continue to transition more pilots, more of our maintainers, and more of our ground crew as they transition from the Armed Reconnaissance Helicopter to build the Apache fleet. We have 4 aircraft now. More are coming next year, and we'll continue to grow our workforce and grow the number of aircraft we have and transition our people so that we can operate the whole fleet of 29 Apache here in Townsville. We've recently seen the introduction into service of our Black Hawk helicopters. We have our amazing Chinook helicopters already in our fleet, and with the arrival of the Apache to complement that fleet, absolutely incredibly proud of getting airborne each day in support of our Australian Army and our soldiers.